What if you could use apps without paying fees? What if the entire internet couldn't be shut down by one company? Two projects are trying to make this happen right now, and one of them already has 46 million people using it every month. I'm talking about Internet Computer Protocol and Near Protocol. They're both trying to fix the internet, but they're doing it completely differently. Here's the thing. Our internet is broken. When Amazon servers go down, half the websites stop working. When you want to use crypto apps, you pay $50 just to make one transaction. Imagine paying $50 every time you liked something on social media. That's insane. So what if we could build an internet that nobody controls? One that's fast and cheap. Internet Computer Protocol wants to replace Amazon Web Services. They want to run entire websites on the blockchain, not just the payments part, everything. Near Protocol wants to make building crypto apps as easy as building regular apps. They want developers to actually use their platform. But here's where it gets weird. They solve the same problems in totally different ways. ICP does something crazy. Users pay nothing, zero fees. Instead, the app developers pay for everything upfront. It's like Netflix paying for servers so you don't have to pay per movie. They call their smart contracts canisters. These things can host entire websites, store tons of data, and even run AI programs. It's like having a computer that lives on the blockchain. The tech behind it is called chain key technology. It lets ICP talk directly to Bitcoin and Ethereum without those bridges that keep getting hacked. Real example, there's a social media app called DSCVR with 200,000 users. It runs completely on ICP, no regular servers at all. Near splits the work across multiple chains that run at the same time. Think of it like having 10 checkout lines at the store instead of just one. Everything moves faster. This keeps costs super low. We're talking about paying less than a penny per transaction. That's cheap enough to actually use. But here's Near's best trick. They have something called Aurora. It lets Ethereum developers copy their apps over to Near without changing any code. Same app, way cheaper to use. Plus, Near uses normal addresses like alice.near instead of those crazy long strings of letters and numbers. And it's working. Near has 46 million people using it every month. That makes it the second biggest blockchain after Solana. So, what can you actually do with these? On ICP, people are building social media that can't be censored, AI programs that nobody can mess with, even business software that companies can't control. Near has trading apps, NFT markets, and games. Big companies like Alibaba are using it. Even Grammy winners are launching stuff on Near. Both platforms are betting big on AI. They want AI programs that run on the blockchain instead of being controlled by Google or Microsoft. Here's what's happening. ICP wants to replace the entire internet infrastructure. They think everything should run on the blockchain. Near wants to make crypto so easy that regular developers will use it without even thinking about it. Both are trying to connect all the different blockchains. ICP has Chain Fusion. Near has Rainbow Bridge. They want everything to work together. ICP got 2,000 new developers this year. Near is processing millions of dollars in transactions every day. This stuff is actually happening now. So which one wins? The platform where users pay nothing or the one that already has 46 million users? What do you think? Are you more interested in ICP's zero fee model or Near's huge user base? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to understand how these actually work under the hood, subscribe. Next week I'm breaking down the technical stuff that makes this possible. The internet is changing. Don't miss it.